In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create approval tasks in Asana. If you've ever found yourself waiting for feedback on a request or asset, then you'll appreciate the streamlined process an approval task offers. These are specialized tasks within Asana that make it incredibly straightforward to get the necessary responses or sign-offs on various projects. So let's dive right in and transform your project management efficiency. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to your Asana project where you're planning to implement approval tasks. Once you're in the appropriate project, take a look at the top left of the screen. You'll notice an Add Task button. Right beside this button is a small caret icon, a subtle arrow that invites further exploration. Clicking on this icon is your entry point into a world of more tailored task options. Now, upon clicking that caret icon, you'll see an option that reads Approval. Selected this, and there you have it. An approval task is now part of your project. It's that simple. But we're not quite finished yet. You'll want to give your new approval task a clear and descriptive name. This ensures that everyone involved in your project, including you, knows exactly what the task entails and what decision is required. So go ahead, rename it, and voila, your approval task is ready for action. You might now wonder what sets an approval task apart from a regular task in Asana. This distinction is key to leveraging the power of approval tasks effectively. When it comes to updating the status of an approval task, the options diverge from the standard task settings. Here, instead of the usual complete or incomplete labels, approval tasks offer more nuanced status options. You can mark these tasks as pending, approved, changes requested, or rejected. Each of these statuses provides precise clarity about where the task stands in the approval process. This specificity not only reduces any potential misunderstandings, but also expedites the decision-making process. Before wrapping up, here's a handy tip. Regularly check the status of approval tasks. When you quickly act on or respond to any changes requested or rejected statuses, you maintain project momentum and keep workflows on track. Approval tasks are particularly effective for projects with multiple stakeholders, where feedback loops are essential. To sum up, using approval tasks in Asana can be transformative. They ensure that everyone on your team is on the same page regarding task statuses, thereby simplifying workflow and communication. So the next time you need a quick thumbs up or top-level decision, remember these steps and integrate an approval task into your workflow. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.